Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to your number one soccer podcast in the land. This is the Pass and Move podcast. The channel is Deb3 TV, proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets. Lucky Bets, our number one sponsor. Lucky Bets doing so much in the beautiful game of football. Now sponsoring the Player of the Match award in all the Premier Soccer League matches. Wabonile ama-man of the match gents.
Yeah,
Mm.
Futhi mbane mbona
Hayi, eDynamo seyakafika.
Umaluka.
eDynamo seyakafika.
Umaluka.
Let's speak about the positive initiative
ya
proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets.
njengomsona vele laphana uzithathele nje ku-chickenini. It was easy for them that they played good football.
Who else did you see who scooped the man of the match? Emanika ko Islanders.
Mina, I've realized something. Ilokhu ze platform le kahle kahle because I think I saw two amasub atengena 70 something minutes siba umuntu kube equalize maybe igame ihliphere ibe draw.
Ebe player of the
Sehle siba
match.
man of the match.
It happens in
It
football.
happens. It's a
Yeah.
defining moment in the game of
It happen-
football.
There can be a dull match.
Njengoli nje abantu wayengena ibhola sekusele ko 5-7 minutes efike echinje hlebe super sub ethatha man of the match because if wayenza something in the match which is defining the match, so it doesn't matter that much.
It can be a dull match. Umuntu angena afika achange game. Play of the match. Ngene 80 minutes. Mbona uthele wanto area mafranyika.
Tanaka.
Then kulomunye olebizela ingichazile manje emanika damos kodwa ngubuza. Awuzongoloke ngubuza. Kuthiwa ngu-ask.
Man of the match.
Ask Rupande emanika damo webe player of the match.
Igama la kuthiwa ngu-ask. ASK.
Ask. Player of the match. Then Tedious, egemini was Tedious by. These are few selected player of the matches.
As for yesterday and for Saturday, Tanaka Mnemu against Platinum, Emmanuel Chimbara Akama,
Emmanuel Chambara,
Milton Chimetsa, Asumtaka Chimetsa,
Rentals.
then he put knowledge and so on. Umphuthi kaloku uzinika knowledge.
Uputika old.
Wakhanya sibi experience and
Other guys,
Yes,
no come up billiard.
Hayi
Those guys
bonke
balazi
abafana
ibhola.
baboyi-3.
Balazi ibhola labo.
But it shows the beautiful sponsorship of Lucky Bet.
It ups the standard of the play for the players because like Umasuti Chiro last week ukuthi kona it 200 bra yabusukwazi ukona vele sumnandi
Super
sumnandi kuthiwa Umasuti awusubhadali rent wasale change
because bakhona vele abanye esibaziyo abangaholi i200 yaze liyafifana lebonus
Kwanza le-rent usithele khosana. Ngoba uyiphiwa cash.
hayi
Cash.
mina ngikhuluma one thing kuyabe ngathi kumbe kuthiwa umuntu athanda ukurepeat ama-statement lapho kule mali khona jeke le moral vele yaqansa
obvious.
so laphana abantu sebedlala umuntu ekwazi ukuthi alright noma lapha mina i-team engeke iperforme sharp but imali le ingaperforma swi mina
Sengimnandi.
sengimnandi ngincedisa i-team lesi woptha kuzokwenza ama-players begcine siba selfish.
But anyway, it's Africa Day. We're shooting this episode on an Africa Day. Beautiful morning. Masutu, it is what about Africa.
Hayi mbona i-African ngikhathi African youth.
Oh,
Yes kabuta. At least ungenile u-Africa. Kulo Africa.
African youth.
African youth.
How far African youth? Happy Africa Day, my brother.
so wena ungaqoka indlukula usungum-African ama-Africans vele asilamalembu thina sasigqoka izilokhu
Kudala.
ngokweskhiweni but nonetheless
Yes.
Masutu leyana ngikhulume ngabomo namuhla
Vele kasari nonetheless.
siyabonga ukuba ama-Africans. I think it's now 63 years celebrating this day and ngilesifiso sokuthi ngathi khona my voice could be heard ikakhulu especially to our leaders that should just save one economy of Africa so that siyekele ukudubeka lokhu kuhlala siba lezimali ezingasebenzisi sibe le mali engconywana nje.
One day okwezimali thina sikwazi play of the match. Lesi sakhe singasebenzi sesike zakho savereza happy Africa Day my brother.
Swimta.
Everything lega.
Hayi, noma sidliwa nje kodwa hayi.
Kodwa
Sikhala sihamba nje ama-ambulance.
gents ahle singene nesidingidingi sendaba siqalise nge-Unity Cup which is happening e-United Kingdom. iZimbabwe sibonile isquad siqanjiwe bahambile abafowethu labo kule ndaba ezi-2 specifically engizifunayo engifuna sikhulume ngazo. One, mbona assistant coach we-national team, ucoach we-Capes.
Okay, sorry.
Former Ngezi. Uhambile wachiya i-team yakhe. Ama-players, yes, of course I understand because abaningi ama-1-1 abahambileyo. Then ngabona i-replacement kaTawanda Maswanise kusuba so those are the two issues engifuna siqalise ngathi sibreak. Alabana vele bebebiziwe. Uba bemelele ukuthi beqede ama-games abo then they are flying.
Umrwira ku Scotland kadlali but laphana sithe siyakucubungula ukuthi athi why ebizwa lapha kuthiwa umrwira uletha ispirit ngokucula singazi umuntu angabizela ukucula
indaba engabiza nguJaprez
ngokuthi bazibizele uJaprez mbabizo kuthiwa yena uyamotivate ngokucula because ku Scotland vele kakwani kadlali
sesile 14 games now 14 games
kadlali
kakadlali game eyi
but ubizwe
national team yakwana
wangene isapha I think at 2
even ngene ka2 isapho khona but national team siyebizwa which means khona kutshengisa ukuthi khona i-hard work i-effort yenziwa ngamanye ama-players to try to gain that call up is not sesiphiwe umrwida it's useless akusancedi so kuyasokufana ukuthi khona i-call up national team it's a deliberate choice abayenzayo yona i-effort efakwa ngama-players from week 1 to up to the week 34 doesn't work any longer so khethwa because uyathandwa akukho right.
And yakwathi mina ukubona kwami mina personally I think umrirwa babefuna veleni ukumbiza nge-first call up but abantu labana anti yakwathi kuke kwaba le problem ku-camp yama-Warriors sike sabona Sibulumnetsi engasabuyi labo Zemura bengasabuyi but I think bayabona ungcono beqalise bebiza i-first phase lezi zingavuma ukubuya ku-camp then kube sokuzathiwa sokuzabuya ke i-surprise lokhuzeni surprise call up.
Hayi but guys let's state the fact he replaced uTawanda Maswanise.
You cannot replace a striker.
That's my problem.
Asingeke sithi lead defender asingeke sithi kuyi ngomuntu uyahlaba
ngesupport
that's mina i-problem la ukuthi ureplace i-striker
lapha indaba nqadi befuna ukubiza amalokuzenini ama-supporters bengabizanga ogeke ohamba endaweni kalokuzenini
so basically sivumelana ukuthi umrwira ubengamelanga
umrwila we've got nothing against umrwila but he's not playing at the moment he's not match fit ukuthi engathi khona uyakwanisa ku-call up for the national team so there's no need for them to call him they should rather have called somebody else even ngathi saphikisente awubabiza umuntu ongayisuye but umuntu onjani o regular basis kulabo kuthiwa ngunubani mfana welokuzenini o-Rangers lwana uhlohla mchokocho for fun
uRalph
wesi ukhaya lithi imadlala layo babe imine as a player each and every game they play but he's doing exceptionally well you are not called bese lo muntu ozabiza ukuthi khona echaya izandla eqangeze khona
kumbe ngabe befuna imotivation bebeyathatha phela yena umdala uBenza vele inspire abafana
give him the first call up of his life
first call up uyabe break national record international actually
that's the problem phela bengila ukuthi okay right i-striker asikho sekubizwe i-defend in place of striker but kulamanye ama-forward
ungalusokubizwa i-defender umrwira according to you i-defender but umrwira asimazi lebhoreni domestic league kakho uwabukela iScotland
uyabe sebhenchini eyisapho kanti i-defend umrwira
yiko nje iScotland usungasibukela ka20 ungambonanga umrwira kumbe
umabheza kamfaki
ngoba kakwani
yikho phela
Eh.
ngikutsho but
Usumbiza
iposition yakhe
So right,
Team.
umuntu omhlalise ebhentshini indaba engabizwanga.
exactly
Eh.
this is what I'm saying I've got a problem with that lina lingakufanga lithi aso defender but you know ukuthi the boy is a defender right back
Umvelo
right back
ungcono.
wayipi ka?
The singer is a,
Okay,
the
let's
singer
move-
is a right back.
let's move on
Isinga lo.
ama 2027 fixtures our national team AFCON qualifiers aphumile we've been drawn against the DRC Equatorial Guinea Sierra Leone then that group E do you think we've got a chance of going to the 2027 AFCON
On paper, yes.
Lo ngubizwa umriro wasindawo. Siyabe siyanga. Sizakuya ngasi.
Abanye babiza abanye ukuthi bazodlala ibhora nalibiza umuntu ozohlabela.
Cause
Ibhora lidlalwa ngenyanga.
cause so far andaba thina kumqiniso so far
iqiniso vele rashisha
kulabantu abayi2 abangadlaliyo ebabizwe kulo Bru wethu nakamba kulo Mrwira
Nakamba was offloaded
akadlali
Hayi uthi offload umbe ube mutual consent la.
I offloaded statement say Sheffield Wednesday
offloaded bathe offloaded vele
bona statement
Kanti
sabathi
yena njengoba etshone khona apho uyabe edlala isikhathi bani vele ibhora lakhona.
yayi
Etshone njengoba etshone.
why lo is our captain kadlali then siya progressa njani to ubizwa lesinga abantu lapha silabantu
Madoda
abayi2
uKnowledge Msona uWalter Msona.
Eish.
Nguphi ongcono lokuzenini?
Lo.
Lo Mrwira.
Hayi,
Abahlabeli
what I'm
ne camp ikhobe bafu.
mina my problem underline statement yamuthi ngithini uMaswanise
Ngikisanga into ngithe nguphi ongcono phendula umbuzo uzafail itest.
hayi
Umsona oKnowledge bongu2.
Knowledge Msona.
Lo Mrwira nguphi ongcono?
mina kimi ngebhora I cannot compare them because lona right back la ama forwards vele kimi so
But maybe yakwanisa ukustrike umriro
Why
ekubona
now?
replace striker phe. Maybe setshintshile iposition.
then if it's like that if it's like that so our national team is now a joke you understand because position our selected position nxa sifuna right back abayi2 bengabiza o right back abayi2 sabe sikwathi ngu right back o replace wabo ngathola ama forwards ayi4 i-forward eli1 lingaphula out to me it does not make sense ubiza a defensive player in place of a forward that's why my problem is uKaitano lapha wenze a serious mistake angazi ukuthi uMrwira ubisani eteamini because akadlali ku club yakhe ku national team engadlala iperformance yakhe below par understand that's why iproblem engilayo mina ukuthi at least ngabe ba replace ngeforward
ukuthi uKaitano ngoba uMrwira vele ubevele ebizwa uKaitano ngawo futhi kulapha kulesinye
yena ube ngassistant uKaitano
Mina engikutshoyo ukuthi khona
but
nxa uselector ukuthi umuntu uyalazi ibhora mbekalazi ibhora ekubona nxa uphi player of the season kuyaphiwa umuntu oyi1 yabedlule bonke ama defenders lama strikers ikwade mbuzo ngathi umbani ongcono uKnowledge Omsona bongu2 lokuzenini lana lo umuntu wena elimilelayo lo Umrwira wena lo
akuna umuntu omlwelayo
Umrwira ngani sokuphuma egcekeni ukuthi amahunga akaphuma lawa nokuthi ngiwabangela ukuthi khona umnetsi engabi khona ku collab expose information ayisendwe ema groupini ngamahunga soqiniso just ngamahemu angila so ngaba liqiniso ukuthi khona babe emthuma into ekuba ispy ngale umnetsi sephendukile phela ekuba ispy ebona ukuthi into zabo zihamba njani bese phendukisa futhi umnetsi bemkhiphe futhi ngibona ngani ngikho kwenza lapho
but do you think we've got a chance ku 2027 umrura sesiphambanisa
But hayi not umriro waphe. But esifona nakamba has been through a lot madoda. Mekeleni edlala.
awunakambo
Njengoba khathesi
no
ungakhangela sengikhulumela ukuthi uNakamba has been through a lot ukuthi
maningi ama players who've been through a lot
exploit living ama agents because singalala khona apha sikhuluma ngendaba kaMriro yabo
yes and wathinte yinye uDawuda lapha uvure hombe ezibili uvule inkalakatha endaba but answer this first do you think we've got a chance
on paper yes
of qualifying
on paper you've got a chance and if you can utilize that opportunity ukuthi on paper you've got a chance because ufunakala 2 teams which is DRC Zimbabwe Sierra Leone and Equatorial Guinea nxa wakhangele wonke lawana thina we have gotten a better superior advantage to them on head to head basis So we can, if we can maintain the momentum and guard against complacence, we play as a team, we play as a proper national team, not lay induced. We can do better. We can do better.
Khathi now we are talking yabona thi sesivumelana sesikhuluma ibhora kade yili ibhora endifunayo ayikho nokuningi lokuthi ufaka amachukela ufaka amasawuthi but ibhora lapho usuhle wabambe yinye la uDawuda yambona uDawuda ngithe ngicheka ku-Twitter ngabe ngishayisana le tweet yakhe I think ndisendele egroupini aba izulu into lena
X.
into X X ongasolveki into lena gents in-touchile I think it happens because isho de ikhuluma labantu besithi it happens to a lot of African footballers.
Yeah, that's one thing umnetho advocating for. Lokhu zenini i-fair treatment yama-players, especially ama-African players. Because ama-African players amaningi abantu bayasayina sometimes kuyabe kuyi-out of desperation, sometimes kuyikuthi umuntu vele sebone itikiti loku-escape i-poverty engakwazi ukuthi
Sezibophela.
i-modern day slave trade yabo because wena nawe ukuthi wena usenze i-donkey work yonke omunye umuntu ethatha imali mahara kuyakunzima and out of ifear yokudeportwa, out of ifear yokuthi
so there'll be a lot of things behind the scenes.
Yeah, behind the scenes. Into lezi affective in the performance ye-player gcina usubona umuntu sekuthiwa sengawama-drugs yabo
because it touched me ukuthi ama-players ethu I understand ukuthi fear poverty and stuff but ukuthi ungabile kuyi-basic nje because lapha sifuna ukufundisa laba abanye ama-upcoming I think that's the whole point wabhiola Dawuda tweete into leya ukufundisa nje abafana abancane abanye aba-upcoming ukuthi don't just sign a contract ungakwazi to sayinani. Understand because ama-agents they're exploiting a lot of our African footballers so abafana abancane balesifiso sokuthi bedlala phesheya but qalisa khona apha ekhaya uthi ubekwazi i-contract ubekwazi ukuthi usayinani nxa ungela sure make sure you've got a lawyer sikwazi abanye uyabejahile ukuthi edlale because maybe i-chance yakhe ukuthi i-breakthrough one ehla sayine ungela representative or anything and akakwazi ukuthi usayinani ugcine uthola ukuthi into esizamthwalisa nzima kusasa. It was actually a sad story naleyo ikhulumayo Savereza eka Nakamba. I'm glad it was solved now sekwazi yiyo ama-players omele ukuthi ngabe istory sisizwa ngaye uNakamba rather than sigcine sesiphuma ngo-Abiola Dawuda ebe nguye o-advocate efundisa abafana because it was so sad for him uze sothiwa umuntu ubroke phela abantu sebesikhala ubroke njani bezothiwa uhola ama-thousands ama-millions you understand kanti kulezi zinto eziso ama-agents agangileyo e-Europe ngala akwenzayo because there are a lot of ama-players ahamba phesheya besiyathwaliswa nzima ngani.
Asoma-agents kuphela even labafazi abakhona ngala bama-host countries labo they tend to take ama-advantages of ama-African players.
Yes uzothiwa
And I think most of the players should take a leave from i-scenario ka-Hakim. That's the best lokhu zeni because sesibona abantu abanjengabo
Ebhuwe Emmanuel Ebhuwe
Ivory Coast wabuya ebroke. Imagine ufind out ukuthi abantwana othi ngabakho abayi-4 bonke ayisibo bakho qede lapho divorce uthathele yonke into.
bemfuna nje sidlule touching base on this issue ukuthi at least abafowethu befunde man.
Yeah, it is very important ukuthi as much as you get that contract or that ideal job uyifisa maybe i-team athi ufisa ukuyidlalela nxa suyithole kanjani just try and go through especially amabala amancane ucontract yonke amabala amancane lana abhola ngamabala amancane aphethe yonke into eyingozi so we have to be very very vigilant and careful on that and read nxa ungazwisisi ask somebody to read for you on your behalf and explain further like what happened to Umave. You can find help but the problem ukuthi sasicande nxa umuntu engabakwazi ngikhola imali engakuza ngicela la nxa ekucela awusoze eku-exploit njengomuntu lwana okutshontshelayo ukucela uzamnika lokho okwanisayo nxa ukuthi uyamnika umbumncintsha kula ndawo but just try by all means to be open up kulezi zinto engizaziyo mina u-Archie engazaziyo kulezi zinto u-Archie azaziyo engazaziyo, but singancedisana it. That's how life is all about. So let's try not just to rush into things because it's an ideal or a dream team. Premier League, when you get there, buza phambili.
Hayi proper representative. I think isharp ube kwazi basics
Ikubona
nje.
agents amaningi like lokuze no Rashford, Neymar, Messi, basebenzisa obaba.
Ama-families.
Close family members. Okwazi ukuthi la nxa ekurobha kasozokurobhe kokubulala because ihlobo sakho.
But I think isiqokoqela is just saving basic. Khona lokani ifazi ejali isizini nxa iqalisa lapha.
Iyafundisa.
Abantu ama-players efunda, ama-players engabi ngamavili.
Umthetho webhora, financial literacy,
Yes.
future investments,
Ube kwazi ama-basic because ngale kuyosuka ama-serious agents, ama-manager, you understand? Ube lama
Usungasayini ungakwazi ukuthi usayinani ngathi
the other
usayini
thing, that's where ama-academies should come in. Vele ukuthi umuntu lwana engakhulumwa ibhora kuphela, but ekhulumwe
ebe well equipped even.
ekhulume lokuba kwazi ukuthi empilweni ama-situation anje wayenza.
Kuningi majensi esingakuthatha but kule scenario angazi singahle singene ngayo khathesi which transpired because it's on everyone's lips. The appointment of i-game between Airdrop and
Mana masiqhathe sidinga ama-helmet.
because ngiyakwazi ukuthi will take time on this issue. So ngifuna ukuthi sihle siyibambe because there's a lot that happened.
Yeah.
Egaming lena is so sad and asikufune ebhoreni. We always say this ukuthi we don't condone such.
We condemn it.
Ilokhuzeni.
Football is meant to unite people, not to
You understand? Ungabona sokuphuma into enjalo kuyabulala ibhora. Imagine i-stadium abantu abayiso abasikhangele ukuthi so far isesingcono. Abantu besivandalize ngalelo lana uhlobo. Kuyenzakala into ezinjalo. I think let's dive straight into it, gents.
Yeah.
We also image sibonile abanye bayibukele TV but okwenzakele sonke sokubonini.
Yeah, truth be told, what happened yesterday is not something engaba siqhenya ngayo.
It's not African.
As a football fan, yes, tomorrow we'll be celebrating in Africa. Can day like today what we are doing. And we see people now abanye basezibhedlela. We hear maybe, I don't know how far true is it that some other have already lost their lives, but konke lokho we say to be verified. But the truth of the matter ukuthi abaningi balimele. And sebelimele kanjalo bachithikelwe izimali eziningi sezilahlekile isimo sinje. Now coming back to the scenario itself, the first port of call in a game of football, according to the PSL's rules and regulations, a game of football should not be played without adequate security. Lapana nxa uthukanyele ama-marshals abengahambelani nabantu abakhona lapha, ama-police abengahambelani nabantu abakhona lapha, and that on its own it causes ilokuzenini ukuthi umuntu behave like umuntu ogadi open track. Nokuthi nxa userolini emuva ngale they become wild and behave like animal, not justified though, but sokwenzakele ephutha lokuthi sekube le penalty ebekhona eground. If the ref was wrong, if the ref was right, asikwekele nini kudilwe ngendlela efaneleyo. These days we've seen ilokuzenini Zifa has been doing so well in suspending ama-refs ephambanisayo. So you'll be rest assured ukuthi kona if the ref was wrong according to the laws of the game, or if was right according to the laws of games, nxa semiswe phambi kwepanel yabo, they find him guilty, the necessary punishment is going to come. But thina sesithatha umthetho sesiwufaka ezandleni zethu. Ngokuthatha umthetho sesiwufaka ezandleni sesikhohlwa ukuthi silabantwana ofuze sibagcine. Sesiyalimala phandle ngale, abanye sebeza khona emajele benze njani. All that is not anti-football. Ebhoreni ufuze ukuthi layo usavereza nxa ehle nje umasude nje ngicabanga ukuthi ngifuna ukuthatha umntana wami even 3 years or 4 years ehambe la ebhoreni siyabukela la. But kade sawusakwanisi susesaba ukuthi kungayenzakala ukechawanda, kungayenzakala ukechawanda awusakwanisi because when uyakwanisa ukubale kuwethu, but umntwana ke angajudge ukuthi ngubani wrong kumbe ngubani right, but the incident yona ngokwayo yodwa nje asayichazi nxa uyibukele. Yazi ukhaba umuntu nganto ukhabile ukuzeni ibhora, uchaya umuntu ngesitina ngani ukuze upantshaza inkelo zemgano, akukho right lokho.
Inhuman.
Inhuman.
Okay. Hey, and uthathe izinto eziningi. Isho imbonana inkulu enhle ngayinanzelela sifike eChawanda lapha i-security bra. I-security. Masuthi igame eyihambayo Islanders.
Igame esayihambayo mina sephakathi angazi eBF uyathola kumbe sihlale chickenini uthola ukuthi kulama truck
amabhiza
kulamezinja kule mabhiza amapholisa agcwele ngapha kuvunyelwa utshwala laphana eYard Rock kuyavunyelwa utshwala buthengiswa phakathi obvious uthi labantu abadakweyo but phakathi uthothi ukubona ipolisa linzima ukuthi libone vele kwabe ngela amapholisa angazi ngoba bengaphi le moto yabe yodwa ngoba izolo kubathe kulamapolisa kathi yangena la itruck ethela amanzi athi ngadisperse umsindo ukha but unfortunately kathi ungela uyathola ukuthi kulamapolisa ayi10 angazi bakwenza njani vele ngale kwabe ngalama one utshwala babe bevunyelwe thina ngapha siyaliswa amanzi
yabami into enza ukutshela yona. I think thina as ama-Zimbabweans sibula i-stereotype in the sense that kulabanye abantu asebalabhelwa kwathiwa these people are violent. Bona belabhela abantu balabana soyana sebesiba i-main focus yabo ukuthi bethi laba ba-violent abasakhangeli lokuthi abantu labana baprovokwa ngobani yabo. So into leyana uthola especially ama-matches eBulawayo. Mina I don't know la I've traveled a lot around Zimbabwe siyabukela ibhora eBulawayo kwaba ngathi ngombe thina singabantu abathanda umsindo but kwamanye ama-regions kwaba ngathi ngabantu abale peace. Into leyana iya-security i-right iyayenza kube le peace eground but abasakhangeli ukuthi i-financial strain yangikhona iba njani especially emathimini amancane. Uyathola i-team encane engangebulawayo Chiefs asiyalisibili yachaya ama-giant lewenhlamso kudlala egemini but uyayithola ile more than 35 amapolisi igame yangikhona. Well least naso kungamanye ama-team so amapolisa wona azange akhangeli ukuthi kungaba lo msindo egemini eYard Rock le Dynamos. iYard Rock people should remember ukuthi iyenzeni Dynamos. They took ucoach wabo wabayenza basurvive
I-relegation.
i-relegation. So abantu labana besokuhlangene ukuthi abantu ababhitha labantu abanjani abazenza ama-money bags, and akula muntu ongayaziyo i-behavior yabo tsheketsha madoda owesisebenathile wesile ground yabo lana enengayibonayo egcwele amatshe phandle. Uyabona ukuthi kuthiwa yini ikiwane elinjani, ikiwane elihle libolile. Kuhle sibili, but kulezinye izinto ama-safety hazards abangazange banjani bakhangela. Imbokodo awuzibonanga wena?
Zigcwele.
Awuzibonanga imbokodo?
Zigcwele.
Imbokodo izade zokujikijelwana ngazo. Into enjisa ubuhlungu omnye ubhoyibhoyi engibone esibili etshaye ikhanda.
Lona uchaye ngekheni umfana lo.
Uchaye ngekheni.
But konke lokhu Jensen yakuzwa, and you are making valid points. Angazi to the Premier Soccer League ukuthi ama measures bawabona njani before game ukuthi is the security enough for this game to go ahead? Because before ibhola liqalisa, you could see ama supporters from each team eseqalisa ukuthi umbotsho omnye odelukile uqalisa wangena eground, utrenda utsho umntwana olukile ikhanda, engene eground efike thele something e-center, kungene oyadroke efike yagide, kungene ngahle ngathi i-security lapho izaba le problem, because ngendlela engikhayela ngayo i-security nlutshwana. If ever anything happens egamini le, i-security izathwala nzima, and kwayenzakala ukwenzela ukuthi ama-authorities ethu awebhora ebone i-importance of i-security, of making sure ukuthi i-security if ibonakala ukuthi is inadequate, ibhora ngcono lingadlalwa. Because ibhora limisiwe phela emergency 20 minutes kuthiwa kulabantu abaningi phandle abangakangeni, but ubona uthi
So
umsindo is now boiling up phakathi eground because of izinto zona zane.
Anyali. Wena you expected ukuthi i-draw i-provide i-adequate security, while least wena u-CEO wabo umbonile la ephatheka ku-violence yangikhona.
I-behavior.
So,
no, but if ever there was enough police, singasoze sifike to that extent.
I think ule point oyithathileyo yokuthi kona i-PSL should ensure that there is safety
before
the match.
Yeah.
And whoever who approves ama-stadiums or approve ukuthi Chawanda is ready to play to host ama-games, I want to believe was wrong. Chawanda is ready to host ama-games. Inside, everything is okay, everything is perfect. But nxa ukwafika eChawanda, I've been there personally, I've been there. Nxa ukwafika khona phandle, ubona phandle laphana ama-concrete wonke lana ayixexebula phandle, ama-rebels lawana agcwele phandle. That's a safety hazard. And yona lana on its own ayivumi ukuthi ibhora lidlala. Hambe BF uyafica phandle ngala kula match. Hambe lokuze nini urufaro, hambe national sports, hamba even kosakuva uyafica phandle akula match. Amatshe lawana nxa ungena eChawanda phakathi akula even space esi1 esilechebechebe minhlabathi. Sonke indawo sipheviwe, which means amatshe lawana avele angenwa ethwelwe ngabantu. Bangene bekwazi ukuthi kona sifuna ukuyakulwa phakathi. Kumbe umuntu ade ngene isinqa siboniso lo msindo uqale ephume phandle bebe lamatshe bebe lawo, ephume phandle bebe lamatshe bebe lawo.
That's all security.
So which means babe kwazi ukuthi kona there are weapons out there. Nxa singene ground siyasearch ama-weapons, but uzasearch ama-weapons wona vele ukhona phandle njani? Khona kana kulungisiswe kuChawanda kukhitshwe kusale kuclear kusale kulive.
Awubonanga kube lenye scenario so ama-players ama-supporters ya-draw kangene ka-1 so eground bengalo cause I think bakwadula igate or something, cause abantu labana bangene no search no what.
I think isikhathi sana menza abantu abangene ngani bagijima.
Abantu bangene begijima benjani?
Kulabantu abake bangena begijima bebanini.
I think kulapho ngabe kuyabe kungene khona amambodlela, kwangena khona ini izitina, kwangena khona ini, cause abantu labana anti bengazi besokuyingasisela besemahlangeni.
But guys,
amatshe avele nga.
Mina vele ke ngu-issue ye-security. Ungachecka ama-mining towns. Remember i-Islanders versus Platinum. What happened? Remember Gwanda Pirates, Shapan. What happened? Sikhuluma ama-incidents angekho khatshana angiwo kumele abe yisifundiso to ama-authorities ethu ayibhora ukuthi guys, ama-mining towns, let's have adequate security.
I-Islanders Platinum umsindo okhona awuzange ube bad that much phakathi eground. Waqalisela phandle, which means i-security phandle iyabe isi-minimum. isitshiyene le security ephakathi ne-confined
Ephakathi.
area. Leyana it's a confined area whereby people can be easily controlled. Like what uMasudi Tetani, kwaba nomsindo eBF la, bavulelile ukuze nini itanka lana sprayer 2 minutes abantu
Disperse,
dispersed.
yeah.
Basibe dispersed. Those are the purpose of those things. Inkinga ekhona ibanjwe ngolokuze nini
Usavereza.
musaverezi ukuthi kona kobulawayo they say it's a safety hazard, the violent place. So nxa kunjalo bahle bebuye belungiselele bakwenza. I want to give you an example. Nxa udrive usemgwaqweni as a driver, you realize ukuthi kona most of the accidents ayenzakala endaweni evulekileyo. Nxa ufika ku danger lapha, let's say uyeGwanda, that's where you exercise extreme caution because uyakwazi indawo yakho ingozi. That's what they are doing, the same thing. Nxa befika la eBF, bathi eBF kulomsindo. But for the past 2 years now, Highlanders have been doing so exceptionally well. I'm saying Highlanders has reformed. Ubonile umsindo wenziwe triangle that day, not even a single booklet chigere ground, not even a fene kuyangena ground. Highlanders they now ba complain now bechawo khwelo bethi lokuze but abasangene ground, they've reformed. And nxa be reformed yikho lapho lokho beqinisa khona security. But kwezindawo konke asiqinisa security. As a country we don't need to discriminate our teams. We have to handle them fairly, equally. The same maximum of security for Highlanders. I finally the same security for at any other team. You know, Highlanders playing against Blair Chiefs. Ngazi beqile Blair Chiefs, there's no msindo. Ngazi beqile chicken in the msindo, but the security yakho is too much.
I-national sports iyavulwa guys this coming weekend. I think iChawanda isile yasitshengisa it's Cape United will be taking on Scotland. Into zonke lezi sesizibonile. Akuhle kube because ama-stadiums lawa yiwo ama-stadium esiwakhangelele to host i-national team. Because ikufaka i-picture embi even to CAF. Uthi i-stadium esinje kungela ama-security wezakade so kuhle already it paints a really bad picture. All I'm saying is to the authorities akuhle kube i-test i-national sports ivulwa adequate security. Yonke into should be on point because ama-fans anything can happen. But as long as there is security, ama-fans they will always behave well.
But I think if wonke ama-grounding aba njenge-national sports stadium, umsindo wakhona becomes uthi khona ule safety to the players, safety to the other
ama-fans are a bit
ama-fans are a bit far and it's hard ukujampela phakathi ulepha stadium.
But nxa kungela security
But nxa ungela
bangena.
Nxa ungela security yangena, but ungangena futhi manje the advantage nge-national sports stadium ungangena wohlube kwazi nxa kule security ngani even tackle xa subotshiwe.
Yes.
Because akula nje lapho zaphuma khona.
Even khona phana izolo utsho umntwana bahle bambopha utsho umntwana engena i-security ibiside eyeqile. Abantu bonke beyahle bebona ukuthi akudlalelwa la. You understand? Hey,
But mina my point eyatsho ngobuthi i-stadium lesana si-right sibuya siyala nje.
Kakhulu.
But on your way to stadium usuka eKhwekhwe laphana of Rembo siyakiswa nje. Asibonisi njenge-stadium lesana kuthiwa sesingawo-West World Cup. Because ukuhamba okudlala khona kuncane ngamatshe what laphandle ngamatshe. So abaqale belungise phandle kubonisa ukuthi uya e-stadium esikhanyayo. Asithi izolo linebe likhona ngoba thina sachayisa ngama-5 kwangakalayithi. E-stadium phakathi kuyabe kulayithile. Asithi mase lisuka ngabo-7.
Ama-light akula ma-light.
Ayila ma-light.
Ayila ma-light.
Yikho ingahost national
Ayila ma-light. Ama-light awatsho yilana aphakathi ku-VIP. But for i-stadium zona akula ma-light.
Vele uthi ukusuka laphana userodini ibhola lingaphela ngo-6 nje abonti
Bese
not
kumnyama
safe
vele
phela
yeah.
ebantwini. So abaqale belungise phandle.
Hey, there is a lot to be done lapha.
Abaqale belungise phandle.
It's very valid point yona le elokhuzeni. Angazi
Ngoba
is there
ligama
anything to add but
Yeah.
sesivala nje indaba le.
Sisivala,
we need serious security
the only thing which you
in
can
all
say,
matches.
the only thing we can say is that if ever we have got armor differences, violence is not the solution to out of any difference we have. We are going there to support our football teams which we love so much, so that we can enjoy ourselves, not to fight. Win or lose. A game of football has got 3 results. It's either you win or you lose or you draw. You have to accept any result and make sure that you understand the laws of the game as you go there. The ref is a human being. He makes mistakes as well. As much as you can make a mistake. Akuna muntu ongayenzile iphutha. Uref engalenzi iphutha. Nxa ufuna ukuresolve ama issues akho, don't tend to violence. There are proper channels, like I said earlier on, ukuthi kona ZIF has been doing exceptionally well. Ukuthi kona suspend ama-refs which are not doing well.
Mm.
So they were supposed just to let the game go on and play and enjoy. Now abaningi sebechithelwe ligazi, sebechithelwe izimali zokwesibhedlela. I-Dynamos won't be there ukuthi kwelaphise, i-Yedrock won't be there ukuthi kwelaphise. Abangani bakade bekuyenga they won't be there ukuthi bekwelaphise. Yabusukwethu. But ekugcineni kwelanga, football must win. Our differences must be set aside. Then after the game, we come back together. We are always becoming rivals. Rival,
We're all rivals.
we are always rivals, but we are always friends. We always love each other. We call each other. Sihlekana after game. That's the purpose of the game.
Mm.
We laugh at each other. But we are still together. We lost goals against you 3-0, but we never
3-1.
3-1. We never fought 2-0. We never fought. But we continue and we love each other. That's football. Not to salwa nginga umisa special ngamunye wafo ngamunye jail. But what for? I need him, he need me. I need him, he need me. That's football. Siyadingana after igame leyana. Sisafunana singalwi.
But in the second leg sibili mele make sure ukuthi net kai 80 the funeral police up to date. Afuna mbesa because the second leg and I didn't say la bala aqeda. The second leg esamba ngale eBaghdad. But I think you guys are right. I think they've learned their lesson. Ukuthi nje abantu bona abafuna ukubona into enhle. Labantu beDynamos bangabona ibhasentsha sebethaba kuwo.
Abasayikade man, sebekade nje usufika.
What I thought, sike sakhuluma play of the match, which is proudly brought to you, sponsored by Lucky Bets. So go to Lucky Bets Facebook page, follow Lucky Bets so that you don't miss out on anything that Lucky Bets is doing. So mbona ama-winners, kulama-winners amaningi kakhulu azamileyo abanye bapredictile right. So ku-Facebook page ye-Lucky Bets laphana i-Lucky Bets iyabuza ukuthi upredicte i-play of the match any game that will be happening. If ungapredicta sharp ufake uyiphanda i-Lucky Bets ufake i-account number yakho laphana nama-details akho, you get to win free bets. There are a lot of giveaways. You get to win a lot of things. Please, so make sure that you follow Lucky Bets Facebook page so that you don't miss out on anything that Lucky Bets will be giving away. It's that time of the show again, guys. Ama games we saw match day 14, which happened over this past weekend. Saturday, we saw Agama taking on ZPC Kariba, whereby it finished 1-1 between Agama and ZPC Kariba.
Ngayibamba.
Eh?
Ngayibamba manje.
What is straight through?
Anti straight ngaba 1-1.
Usavereza wayengekho hayi singeke simbuze ngemicabanga. Then Rentals took on, to me this was a surprise result. I don't think between the two of you khona wayebambini.
Rentals.
A4.
Sekuthi Rentals nathi Rentals singawina.
But you are not sure, guys. Come on.
But in a performance,
Yes, Simba.
Mina I say Rentals.
could tell you what to tell Rentals. Rentals lana nje tamchina wamachesi this time.
If your memory serves you well, I say Rentals is going to win 3-0. Lathi hayi ngibani uzathatha umdali yakhe ethi ngo-3. I was jokingly saying
You were
that.
joking.
I
Come
was
on.
jokingly
This is
saying
what I'm
that,
saying.
eh.
You were
But why is
joking.
it told to this winner?
But I was jokingly saying that not that I was
I
serious.
did not see Rentals winning
I
4.
didn't see them winning them 4 as well, but I was just joking.
Ukuziwina nge4 anto kwaba ama red cards.
Baba le red card ewa.
It's part of
It's
the
part
game.
of
It's part of the
It's part of
game.
exactly. And the value was weak. Was
But the
3.
keeper don't deserved that red card. Keeper sevenja.
Moment of madness.
Keeper sevenja.
Selfish.
I learned a moment of
Phela
madness.
nolenga taking ama men of the match plays but sebenzisa kuyibo ilokhu zeni.
Into zabo zokulala.
Into
15
zokulala
minutes.
ama flying kick.
So Rentals beat Simba Bora 4-1. Then Ingezi Platinum Stars played against Ibulayo Chiefs. Uhambile.
Sasila PF. Sasonke PF.
Rentals beat, but Chiefs can win Zagaran Madud. The Chiefs yabuya come back into play. But they always concede.
Mina mbona ni
They always concede.
ngali 4 games the Chiefs yonke ngeke relaxa. last minute nje uzabona
because
sebeconcede
they went 2-0 down.
bakhohlwa
they came back.
hayi
Oh.
ngathi Chiefs bakhohlwa ukuthi
Baseground.
until the
The
final
ref-
whistle
Eh.
babe seberelaxile babe sebezitshelile laba
Yini problem labana? Technically,
I
So,
technical.
I
Eh.
think it may be insurance kuma-players
Can-
because ungakhangela abantu laba they concede vele ngama-last minute.
because yaphenduka i-Chiefs into the game.
Yiko
2-2.
bengutsho ukuthi
No, said I
it's a
Chiefs.
matter of insurance.
So they need to train further. Train
J
hard.
team lani ya trainer you
train.
always
Laba-
see.
labana basafuna i-training
Yikho ubona-
physical because ikhaya i-training e-physical sebefuna i-mental ukuthi lingathabi nje ama-supporters
linga-relax.
e-Dynamos lani yabo ba-relaxa umuntu lwana
Ba-relaxa so much.
kumbe base beqalisile ukuba i-winning goal i-draw bonus kumbe winning bonus naleyo
Hayi ngoba
whatever the score will
Against
will
the
it be.
Rentals they did the same thing
Against the Islanders
Against
kwaba
Islanders.
yi-same thing.
same
Eh.
thing
I think
Ba-relax.
4 games in a row.
Even the platinum
even
Eh.
ZPC
even
They always
ZPC
concede
Eh.
Jala
last minute
stupid goals for
They're
that match.
consistent. A team which is consistent is okay. It's consistent.
no
Consistency no
as well
losing.
consistent
Hayi,
Jala,
hayi.
We don't need
Uh-uh.
we don't need
Uh-uh.
another Bulawayo
Unga-
team to be
ungangenzi
ready.
ngehlelo umoya ungangenzi ngehlelo umoya wa-draw.
We don't need another Bulawayo team to be relegated. Then
Awubona iyavika.
lani futhi ayivikile
hayi ilokuzene asolokuzene
i-chicken in lost
chicken
to
against Scotland hayi Scotland yayilanda ukuzotraina it's another stadium yayilanda ukuzotrainela kiso la
iScotland yayilanda uzotrainela igame ye-Caps.
yayilanda ukuzotraina
Chicken.
game games aso game lokha
Kumbe laba bethu ukuthi kuthiwa abantu baflayile phela kwasokudala wagcina ukuze athiwa ithini lokho
anto
ayithini
bayehla
Yeah, yafly
indizana
eScotland.
nayibhale fast jet
Mm.
hayi chicken into yashe hayi but angazi ngibona umsono edlala swana baba hayi
so he deserved play of the match.
Hayi,
Yeah.
hayi.
He deserved like a best player of the
Labana
match.
vele
wayebulala
What happened butho igame
Baba,
i-chicken
abantu sebekutshelile bona.
hayi i-chicken
phela ngomunye wayembulisa sithi siyavandalize
Ya-reshuffle.
igame lana ngangiyibukele
Eh.
I think kwaba le 2 individuals if not one abayehluleke ukublenda ini lana
The team.
le team
abe-chickenini
yabe chickenini
Mina, I
so
feel
umuntu lwana wabe se-cost team big time
I feel ilokuzenini i-chicken in laphana yabhayiza yodwa because they were not like abantu abahambayo e-ground. We were not in the game. We were just totally because first half we never had a shot on target.
no shot
Not a shot on target, just to speak of. And that to me it shows ukuthi kona we were not really serious. But ngesikhathi nxa silebhora we couldn't really string 4-5 touches. Nxa singakwanisa ukwayenza engafika to any certain individual ekhulunywa ngolokuzenini sebulala ibhora. Ebuyele selibuyela but I think uref ucoach waphuza ukurida because second half they tried to come but
and
Balenge-
mina this is what I thought
They
Ndira
tried,
as a former coach eScotland he knows that team vele uzamdominate umapezi
hayi
but umapezi
amapeza lami lamazwe elazi ibhora.
yes uyalazi but kaya ama-results eScotland of late
hayi
0-0.
uchickenini kube yabuya le team yayo vele right ya manje ayi-reshuffle
Satshintsha kakhulu i-team.
Yeah.
yo
babedinga i-combination kwakudinga isignal eground
then izolo ama-games which were played on Sunday i-Islanders traveled to Manica Diamond
Awuyalini umfana noNtombani okodlovu Ntombani.
what
Awuyalini wathi.
hayi ukuthi vele iyaleni yamayidlala nje angazi ukulakho ibhethi ukuthi isavunyelwa sizababuza hayi le singeyi-straight draw ayimelanga ivunyelwe kuma-sports bet hayi yale ndawo samelanga ngivunyelwe asolakhi hayi yale ndawo it's an obvious
but madoda imele likhayele enye into uyabona ukuthi iManica Diamonds ungakhangela na I expected that match ukuthi vele ibe soyana
And
i-Islanders Islanders was lucky ukuthi ayidliwanga because iManica Diamonds ibile upper hand vele igame yonke bakhutha nje ama-chances yabo ngendlela okukhangathi kwenzakale ngayo khona le mtara
basho njalo
so i-Islanders was lucky
to come away with a draw
to come away with the draw.
Ayiprovele nge-Islanders.
i-Islanders vele asomalakhi ama-draw every time ngatsho ngothiwa i-Islanders ngathi i-Islanders yini i-Islanders i-formation yayo ayidleki ayikoreki ayikowi yona why because i-combination ye-Highlanders from midfield siyanga i-defense ye-Highland ukuzidlula idlula nzima but
Manje
ifront
khuluma so untshela ukuthi ubeka ithemba Ndlovu is doing a good job.
but ifront ye-Highlanders from midfielders aso team othi ingakora ngaphandle ibhola lakhona kube khona nje kube imbasambasa njengalabo odaba ezibekore laba yayibe khona imbasambasa but hayi i-Highlanders so team ongathi avela mhle yakora too formation yakhona
maybe i-team lezi-stresses zokuthi
Hayi,
lihanjiswe
no,
court phela
Hayi.
inkinga winanga
Eh,
kanti izahlali ile-stress from day number 1
hayi ipe ama-stories ena apheli phela
vese aqase uyayiland akupheli ngoba
Odoli.
kuningi.
i-Highland zifana lenkabe yabona ungathatha inkabi loba zizinhle njani uthi uyazimisa emfolweni uyifake kulo muntu omisa kubi emfolweni ngeke simqambe la uyazazi
so wena uthi inkabi ze-Highlanders donsa zichilile
hayi bafaka imkhomo engayisinyo
Also so i-triangle losing to Imozi 0-2. I-triangle gents I think they are problem. Which tempo right efuna
ukuthi
ukuchiya lapha.
no, let's wait and see ku-second leg ukuthi bazamenzelani. But I think Imozi vele even
Yacha.
nancade engachiyanga nancade echiya
Isi-pick up Imozi.
Imozi inkulu kule triangle for so far because according to the quality of the players they have, it's a pickup team.
Then i-Hunters played against i-Tail One. Iqini iphele 1-1 lana.
1-1.
Iqini iphele i-1-1. I-Tail One layo ngani sokusiba ngcono. Si-improve is picking up points. Then
vele i-third one ibiza a-shaper from last week ungayisikho ukuthi urefu wakhala ngaye kakhulu last week uchaminuka awathi urefu ngowazenzelayo okwekhandala lakhe
then igame engaphelanga i-Dynamos iya-draw kule Dynamos rather at 1-1 the match was abandoned due to issue lana esike sakhuluma
Phambanisa
ngayo.
i-prediction yami enhle njalo ngiyipredictile 1-1 igame ukuthi yaphela injalo.
Hayi lana ibingasoze ibe 1-1 but asengutshela manje ivari ani beseground iya-draw keep ibuya kubo.
Ukubuya sikuhlohla.
That's why they were creating ama-chances. That's why they made penalty. Yeah.
they made
but-
ipena ngoba urefu bayenzela ipena
Yeah. Well, nxa usu-check-a ama-replays, it's not a penalty according to me. Ngingazi ukuthi wena what you say, but according to me, it was not a penalty because umuntu ubuye evala izandla.
Nasesesaba ukukhuluma ngaso singasishayana.
but hayi esingakusho ukuthi second half lamade ngibukele live hayi ibisibonisa sibili yadrock ashe
Hayi, was ibisibuya
pressure yadrock uyabona umfana lwana eSwaziland ulethinja lwana vele ungayibona sibuya lo rasta lwana hayi abe sibuya and lapha iDynamos kube lenhlanhla nje
Bese beyiphine kakhulu.
bese beyiphine
That's why
kakhulu
besebenza
team lani
ama-mistakes
yabuya
amaningi.
la
Hayi bisibuya draw nje.
Yeah.
i-chicken ilayo anti ukuthi ukhulumile second half yayisibuya kodwa
Ayihlohlanga.
ayihlohlanga so urefu engadeterminanga yena ukuthi mina the way I feel like ukuthi ngikubeke ngithini refu akabirira abantu yes
But according to the laws of the game, law number 5 welokuzenini webhora othi khona handball offense ukuthi isibhora libamba isandla kumbe lithinta isandla, it's not always a handball depending ngama scenarios akhona which is explained down there ukuthi khona nxa uphakamisa isandla sabanjani njani wa extender. So uref according to the position where he was, he might have made a mistake on his judgment ukuthi khona wa-assume ukuthi he extended his body and become bigger waba yilokuzenini, and that as well as what I believed. But in case mbukele ilokuzenini clip lana now and again I had realized ukuthi khona izandla wayezifake emuva then
Ubezifake emuva, yeah.
uthe sesiwa wasezivula because mina assumption yami was the same assumption leka-ref. But now uref does not have a replay, so engayenza that assumption, that 1 second thought aseyibonile a charge, it becomes final.
So guys, the referee's decision is final.
It's final.
To all the fans out there, the referee's decision, even as a pet danger, no ref.
Thina sile second chance to see, second opportunity to replay, and ikubona emazweni bafaka iVAR because they understood ukuthi uref ubona ka-1 and ebone ka-1 has to make a decision there,
Khona apho
an
there and
instant
there.
decision.
Yeah.
So khona phana uref la wabona wasekujaja wathi khona no, this person ekuweni kwakhe nxa usisiwe uza kuthi izandla. So he thought that he wanted to gain advantage by making himself big. So let's say gain advantage, it becomes an offense and the charge was a charge. Eastern point ka-ref ukuthi wazenza wamkhulu wase-charger, but kasarealizanga ukuthi khona akabanga mkhulu because izandla besisuka ngapha emuva after ukuslayida kwakhe sesiyabambelele into engatshayeleli phansi ezobuhlungu.
But kahle who should you blame for i-stoppage game there?
Dala laphana
Which
Uyabona,
which stoppage are you talking about?
i-abandonment.
game edynamos leyo.
Because mina ngabe sithi kube issue penalty
Ngalihle lama khona
ngabe
khona.
lihle lama khonapho sinaka ukuthi bekumele
But
sibheke
i-continued
i-Dynamos.
after
I-Dynamos ivumile i-penalty kanjani
Yachaywa.
yachaywa.
Ladlala.
after a long struggle
So
though.
yabona ukuthi
After a long struggle kumele ukumention
Akulandaba lo kana
ukuthi after a long struggle.
Bavumile
nasemazweni
kodwa.
akwenza kuzoke kuva strong
Bavumile.
struggle na.
sabona i-Senegal le lokhu zelile eMorocco kwayenzakala i-long strike.
Hayi long
Ukuthi
struggle
wabuya
ikhona
kanjani?
eforeign.
Akhupha
Hayi,
i-penalty igame
ngendlela
kanjani?
okwenzakala gents mina ngifuna ukufaka point blank even uGenesis Mango obe nxa ebukela it's wrong lokho kade sebekwenza logidiza as a coach awungene eground usiyafuna utshengise you fuel izinto yikho kufuel imsindo khona ke kumele befundiswe ama coach lawa lama players ama managers
How
awungene
to restrain themselves.
yes
And
after each and every
into lana
decision.
very lula achera. Uref ngayenza umsebenzi wakhe. I-player alenza umsebenzi wakhe. Ucoach
Simple.
ngayenza umsebenzi wakhe. Ungayenzi dual jobs eground.
Hayi.
Supporter nalizokubukela
Le-support
lihlale
alenza umsebenzi
phansi
wakhe.
libukele
Ungathi
ibhola.
unguref usufuna ukudecide lenye team ukuthi win esu-wrong.
Mm.
Ungathi uli-player usuchaya ngapha ufuna uref usu-wrong. Ungathi ungucoach ucoach lapha lofuna ukudlala ibhola ufuna urefula usu-wrong. So
No matter
yenza-
the decision,
no matter the
guys.
decisions, ukucomplaina is allowed, but don't do ama-decisions omunye umuntu.
Phela after
ama-
ibhola
rules omunye umuntu.
seliphelile ndiyabhala i-report
Exactly.
ndiyabhala i-report ufile i-report okuzayenzwakala after kwenza because khanyela kade sesokuyenzakeni
But
Abantu balimele,
yabona
bro.
into okunye sometimes
i-PSL sithwala nzima sibhala izincwadi every day
Abantu balimele,
stakeholders
bro.
but
abanye
okunye
sebelimele.
sometimes nase sekukhangela sibe asho enye into enza ama-team e-react soyana mina ayisikuthi mbe ngiyasupport i-violence yikho kuyani ukuthi ama-team sometimes they have realized ukuthi alright ungaze ubhale i-report kuyasuspend uref but into yangosaye sakhuluma ngayo la i-3 points sezihambile
sezihambile
kumbe i-1 point isinjani
sihambile
isihambile while list bekuyimistake ade ingazama ukuthi benjani ama-match commissioners lawo angabhali kuphela ama-report azama ukuthi na i-decision ingayenzi engenele ebuye ethi ukuthi hayi this was not a penalty kumbe njani ababeyivaya ngkhona phela
U-match commissioner akangeneli kuma-decisions ayenziwe
no
eground.
but his point is
Ngiyayizwa ipoint yakhe.
Eh.
U-match commissioner is just there to commission the match. U-match commissioner ngiyele phaa ukuthi igame le isingasadla njengakhona kade zokukhona pha ngiyothi khona is now we can no longer
so yena uzovala kuphela
ukuvala lokuvumela ebone lokuthi ama-proceedings akhona ahamba fail yini. U-fourth official ngiyongathi hayi lena sokuphoratiseni but sesiphenduka khonapho into ekhuluma ukuthi khona i-3 points ebengasaphenduki the same thing. Mina I always like using ama-examples. Ngingatshontshela uMasudu la ngiyebotshwa ngizahamba ejele but ukutshontshantshontshelwa kusatshintshi.
yeah
Whether nxa ntshontsha imali angayisebenzisa ngayenza njani akusatshintshi kumbe ngibulela umuntu nxa ngisejele ngizahambe ejele umuntu angasavuki.
yeah
So okwenzakele i-3 points vele siyakwazi esisihambile but esikufunayo ukuthi after that let action be taken so that
100%.
people can change. Mina ngabulala umuntu mbotshwe ngiyayithiwa 15 years ejele. Wena nxa sufuna ukubulala umuntu ngacabanga ukuthi usejele nge-15 years uyayekela ukubulala umuntu. It helps for the future. Akusahelp into esidlulile.
yeah true I hope kuzwakele the matches also that were played ku division 1 Imono Mtapa is still going on ama-league adlaliwe Southern Region mbona iwange iChayisenza Imono Mtapa la
1-2
2-1 beMono Mtapa
bekuyimuni
Imono Mtapa I think ezinto le eMono Mtapa isingiconfuse lama league matches because there were also league matches that were also played also during iviki nale Southern Region bekule Mono Mtapa kwaba lama league matches ngisamba sabukela Wednesday sasonke Masudu esamba sabukela
television
not television Injuba Space
Nkayi.
lenkayi inkayi ukuphenduka kuyaba nzima majenzi ngenye i-team ebengiyikhangela iyaphenduka ngeplay yabo leya Injuba Space dominated that game 90 minutes and abafana abancane cabanga kulabo bafana balama 16 awaziphi inkayi kulabo Balotelli kulabo Umadongo experienced guys but seeing them being dominated abafana labana balama 16 17 18 ngathi inkayi lapha iyangena nzima la and nge-form ele-Hwange, i-Hwange is not losing ground. The talent vision is slowly closing up i-ground khona phana kulo kuze. Then also Central Region, Mutapa was also played. Then kwadlalwa futhi
I-league.
ama-league matches. IGwanda, I think IGwanda wine 1-0 ku
Chai
Diliva team.
Diliva team.
Also iChapungu is continuing ngeform yawo.
And into ebuhlungu ukuthi iGwanda lokho kuhlohla umuntu uyayilende yambona engathi kakho fit ukuthi eyidlalile.
Mbonisi nje.
Kodwa lokho ehlohla. Bona ngapho they are failing to score.
Mbonisi is
The quick yachaya.
Ikwekwe isi pick up, but iChapungu is Central Region. iChapungu is doing well.
Yeah, iChapungu yasayina ama-players amaningi
iChapungu is doing well. Then Northern Region,
Bekule muntu Mtapa futhi.
Ingezi, bekule Munu Mtapa also. Then the league match, Maswa Ingezi Machins.
19.
Amanda 19 Ingezi. Adli Harare City. 3
Labana bayachaya because I like engangakhuluma that day ngithi kona they understand ukuthi kona abasoze bekwanisa ukuthenga for a certain period of time, so they have to invest lokuze kuma-juniors awo, and I think ukuthi upgrade okuseya kune-first team. So I think kungana kuyabamotivate vele ukuthi edlala futhi kulokuze nini kulowa division ngapha ngidlalela ukuthi ngibonakala ukuthi ngiye phezulu ngalo. So ekufuna ukuprove i-point, they gain ama-points. So I think it's helping them to just keep on winning games there.
Yeah, it's a matter of philosophy, the inspiration. Because if you remember well, umuntu ongu-CEO khathesi kuNgezi nguye ezibambile vele ngesikhathi bethatha
i-league.
i-league. So umuntu lwana silukhaya ngathi ngumuntu webhora.
We understand ibhora. Let's hope Munu Mtapa ama-team la progressa sharp. Sokuseduze ukuthi bedlale lama-Giants.
And uzabona ama-surprise package ama-Giant ekathwa khona.
Vele azekile ama-team apha njengokutshela ukuthi Buza uMasudu ongabafana kwenjube mdala ngokusezana, because vele I think the small boys they feel motivated ngabe dlala lezi kanzini qatha.
Le team yakho ngibone phela isidlulile khathesi 30 round iwinile futhi izona. Depulative lamrambinda.
Eastern. Yacha. Manje good morning idliwe bra.
Ayikho beyakithi sesingayibona indlaka zokuthiwa Depulative lamrambinda versus Island.
Ngabe hlaya begcwele ube PM iDeportivo ngabe. Ngabe hleze empilo Yabe support iDeportivo. iDeportivo is doing well. Now progress ko we'll see right ukuthi we'll see ama surprises ama PSL teams being pitted against the lower division teams is slowly getting there. I think Southern Region, the Lama regions, sebedlala last round to play against ama big guns. Let's look at the upcoming fixtures. Our PSL match week 15.
Yeah, 15.
Week 15. Ama-fixtures I think asephumile. Let me check. I think ndawo lapha match day 15. This week Saturday, Dynamos takes on Ingezi Platinum Stars Rufaro Stadium. Feeling lucky with lucky pace. Isikhathi sangikhona.
Dynamos bayidla.
Eh?
Bayidla 2-1 Dynamos.
Another draw.
Ingezi.
Ingezi ayivuna ukudliwa.
They say Rufaro on Saturday. They did.
Another draw.
Lama team la ifixture le yaphuma ukundichaza kanjani. Moses taking on Hard Rock engoni. Abe Hard Rock ba travel to Enotoni Saturday. Kanti okwanika i-prediction yakhe Dynamos lengezi.
I draw.
Dawuthi draw
Straight draw.
on straight win ingezi. Then Moses Hard Rock.
Yeah, i-Mozart Rock nxa ukuthi khona ama-supporters eDynamos afuna ungakwenza support ukuthi liya up and down. Yeah,
Hayi babedlala nje. Badlala same time. Drop the Dynamos.
maybe that's to be the good thing though.
And
But-
the PSL ingakhipha masinya i-verdict what transpired yesterday.
Ngiyanceda.
Kuyanceda futhi.
Ama-PSL angikhona usungazoyibona isikhitshwa i-last game
Sisi-favorite team efuze iwin.
But kumele bekhiphe masinya.
Imoz is playing good so far.
isiphika
Leyadrock plays good
performance
football.
yabo ibe-poor.
And they've been getting a result.
I had Roke, it's another loss.
Before these fixtures, today, Cape United
Platinum.
is playing. It's a big fixture. It's a big fixture. Khathesi maduzaneni ngo-3.
Khumbula umnyaka nokuthi kona chitiyo phansi ningi phansi munotoresa ne-BP mimi
Bora ripiro.
But into esikhulume ngayo siqalisa eka-Texure ukuthi will not be on the touchline. Will it affect Cape United today?
But I think Bakala is also a good assistant coach. So Bakala ndi ngiyasale ezibambile. And Bakala.
But with football, ama-results sengahamba abantu beqasa ukukhala futhi ngokuthi u-assistant coach
it would depend
ukuthi team uzayitshintsha
ukuthi uzayitshintsha because sometimes nxa bezwanana bona bengu-2 Bakala lokuze nini lo-Texure.
But the voice that will be there
is point yami nxa ukuthi bayazwanana bona u-Texure lokuze nini uBakala engasala laphana kasoze itshintshe kakhulu i-team. But nxa engasala uzafuna ukutshintsha i-team efuna ukuprove i-point. And when itshintsha i-team improve point nxa engawini i-team yakhe liyane ingadliwa whatever the results especially engawina nxa lona sephenduka sebisela i-team yakhe mzukwane idliwa leyo sokuthiwa indaba engadlaliseka kaBakala lena sokuqasa ku-cause division. But I think there's no problem because I don't see any difference. If you have got an assistant coach, you trust him as much as you trust yourself. So they're going to do well.
Manasibone right up. Then Sunday, 31st May 2026, Islanders takes on FC Hunters at Papa Field Stadium.
Vandalism.
Straight twin, Islanders.
Vandalism.
Islanders win 6 Islanders.
I have vandalism.
Islanders
So you're giving to Islanders now. ZPC Karipa takes on Chicken in Nyamunga.
Straight draw.
Chicken ngeke pull up ama-socks lapha bazabashoka ama-get.
Because ZPC la kuphunywa nzima nje
i-preseason sayenzele eKaripa so ama-temperatures angala soze si-affected.
Namthi ukhuluma ama-small liters. Wakuhambula umapheza. Namthi ukhuluma ama-small liters. FC Platinum takes on Rentals eMandaba.
Yabenzima igame le.
FC.
But belikhuluma nje ukuthi i-Rentals.
Yiko bengisho.
You find i-Rentals iyahlohla nje. I-Rentals iyahlohla nje. Yinto eqhathekile lena. I-Rentals is finding the net.
Igame le yabenzima.
But eMandaba ayiphumi.
Nga.
eMandaba.
Ralph versus PTC.
Umuntu lo yahlupha nje uRalph Kaundera lo.
Ralph Kaundera versus
utility player was.
Ralph abedivene uRafael PTC lo Rafael Kaundera.
Uzabona. Ayiphumi.
I think it's a draw.
Chelwan takes on Agama Yaskot.
Chelwan.
Agama Matches has been picking up points of late. But in the game zero what? Agama is picking up points.
Workshot imali.
You see? The grit is now there.
AVM Agama.
Grit is now back in business. So we pick up my points. Then Simba Bora takes on a triangle.
Simba Bora vandalize.
Then the big one, National Sports Stadium will be tested. It's a Scotland Football Club taking on Cape United, the National Sports Stadium, this Sunday.
They deserve
but maybe they're playing a weaker side.
The way
communication they understand each other.
Cape is a good, fairly good side.
You seem to forget something. Igame leyi sesile isikhathi siyimelele because there is beef between uScott lo Jerry. So lapha yikho kuzasehlwa khona ukuthi which is the really team sibile ezaclaim ipride yoba ama money bags lokuthi yithi team enkulu because you remember uJerry wathi yena vele uScotland ngamateam amancane labana kabakhwezeli ini ama winning bonus. Kadesi Dynamos now owns the bus after ukuthi kuthiwa i-Dynamo sibhejele kwathiwa iza kudlala i-Caps.
Caps.
Yeah, I understand what you are saying. I-Caps vele there's no debate. Currently, you are money picks Zimbabwe. Akula debate because Akula's team is sponsored in 4 million. Its Caps is sponsored in 4 million. Legit 4 million. Akuna
Hayi,
umali omncane
vele ungavele
ongelandela.
utsho njalo usufuna uvula ama-can of worms ukhuluma ungathi legit or whatever.
Ungambamba umlomo.
Ah,
Khululeka into
ah.
ngikhulume. Yikho esikhuluma ngakho yinto esikhuluma ngayo last time ukuthi khona
Engekho legit.
amabhola ukuthi khona kuthiwa khona nasi 35,000 wina nini igame sesilinike imali.
I know
Asomali
ngikhuluma
zebhola
in
zidlala.
terms of sponsorship. Nxa uthi ngibamba umuntu engekho legit yiphi.
Yiyo phela ukuthi dlala 35,000 uqala uchaye enye team sengunika. It's not legit ekubhola lokho.
I-financial
Aso
fair play.
sponsor.
Aso financial fair play.
But aso
Imbeji
ngikhuluma
phela.
nge-sponsor
Ah,
lena
imbeji.
kuyimbeji.
Imbeji
Lokhana
phela,
ku-wrong.
i-sponsor
But
ngembeji
i-sponsorship
Kanti kokuyave kutshiyene ngale
Kutshiyene
Asia
nga-
Gate.
Eh?
Kutshiyene ngale
Ungadefend into
Asia Gate.
is
engayisiyo.
the I'm not ngifuna ufaka elayinini i-sponsorship Caps United.
Already le 4 million sponsorship.
Thank
Sengikhuluma ngendlela ofuna ngayo.
Ekhona mina ngifuna ngayo
mina
indlela eyiyo. Let's put
Asiyo.
facts.
I-35,000 ephiwa lana
Aso sponsorship liyana.
Kodwa
Wait,
i-sponsorship.
Lena
right?
imbeji liyana.
Kodwa i-sponsorship.
Hayi lapana babe mbabhade lena so sponsorship. Ama-sponsorship.
Bachayelana club.
Labona selukufaka western. Leyo kufaka lula khona selukufaka
Hayi,
western. Alright.
that's the thing.
In terms of ama money picks,
Eh,
we cannot debate. Caps is the money pick so far currently.
Scotland.
About 4 million.
Hayi.
4 million ikhona ku Caps.
Wawusithe bana 4 million. Labana banamamillion amaningi.
Ama-
Igame le
Hayi,
bafake
uthi umnikazi weclub ngaba lemali ukuthi Scotland lemali.
better brains bra. Yep.
Madoda sizakhuluma
So,
mhla ka
ngemandi.
1 June.
iyawina iCaps sentshintshile ingqondo ngenxa yakho. Sentshintshile ingqondo iyawina iCaps.
Mina ngihamba ngeScotland.
Savereza.
Ngizibonele enye i-draw mina futhi.
All right.
iCaps yakuvandalize lokho kana uzabona.
Then ngemanje siyathi sishuta lapha siqede manje sishuti siqede manje. Hey, man senza kanjani? Senza kanjani team? Thana. Senzeni njani? Ngoba kumele ukuthi siqede seyibona ibulawa Chiefs le.
Ndoda isikhathi sokushuta sabo sakwanisa
Yemanika.
adjust siyabuya earlier.
Eh.
Sizoshoot.
Yabidlala
Usavereza indlela yaphuza ngayo.
Siyabuya earlier.
Ibulawa Chiefs.
Ngitshelela umhlaba
World
wonke.
futhi. World futhi.
Yabe ne-stress phela mina my team is not performing well. Saphangisa.
Because vele sebukela ibulawa Chiefs. Le mani ikade yabuzi ngo-3 ngemandi. 31. First of June.
1 June.
1st of June. Ke songumhla ka-1 ngemandi. So siyashuta ngo-9.
Kunzima yakwazi.
Okay.
Hayi but so far ma ufuna ukubona ukuthi iHighlanders ehlulekile nje uzabona ngebulawayo Chiefs ukuthi akula lutho umanika.
Imanika
Sokunemali umani. Kanti ngoba
Hayi.
Thina imanika
hayi,
sadraw la
lapha,
0-0.
Thina sikhuluma ngebhola nelikhuluma ngemali. Two
imali
different things.
motivate.
Hayi imali asiyali ya motivate. Nithi lizabona ukuthi iHighlanders futhi yehluleke.
Uma sudwan uright ngoba ungakhayela wonke ama-team adlula ezandleni zethu. Andithi ngasitshela
Lena
i-Dynamos.
liyacha.
Hayi noma singabe ngasidla siwini but sibachiya bethamlekile abantu bangikhona. Ungakhangela wonke ama-team adlula i-Dynamos. Yes.
Yena ukhala ngokuthi lina ama-team eliwadlayo bona badrowa lawa.
Thina ama-team ngito
So imani
ukukhulumela.
ungakuthi
Ukuthi
imani
thina
khali
ama-team adlula yayilandani.
Eh.
Ebese ebuya-ke noma engasidla lathi.
Eh.
But yabona ukuthi iyadroku that ayidonana layo really outshined us. But khathesi bebetholane labo sowabo yabo bekungama-windi versus ogweja
Chigilopana.
uTshingilobhanga.
So I think those are the fixtures. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and engage us in the comments. Siyabonga into eliyenza. No, angavali. Ngifuna ngama last weeks man. Just uthi nxa usibukele okokuqala. Remember to subscribe. Lawe wena otshona usibukela ungasubscribe, siyawucela. Ngisho wena ongikhangeleyo, siyawucela. Please subscribe, share, and engage us in the comment section. Ubufuna ukuthini sesivala last week sesivala nini?
Just wanted to say congratulations to Daniel Msendami for clinching the Premier League Cup with Orlando Pirates.
wasundithathela amazwi
i-team
wami.
ngithathela amazwi akho.
Uthathela amazwi wami.
Hayi.
Those were going to be my last words.
Hayi,
But
hayi.
anyway, continue.
Hayi. Andizomisile.
Akumisanga, hayi no angumisanga.
yazi ukuthi
Eh,
ama-last words ayahlupha ngokuthi umuntu engavele ekhulume lokhu lasefuna ukukhuluma in line to that but kungasenani
mina bengufake kwabanjalo.
alright
Uthi
kungasenani
ngase mvala.
sengamhlophe ikakhulu to the Zimbabwean duo of Divine Lunga and Daniel Msendame as well.
Mhm.
But mina isikho ama-last words ami amhlophe vele afuze ehanjiswe nje aqakathekile. Yabona, my last words are just going back to the fans, to the football lovers. Masibuyele into ku-default setting ade sisilungisile ukuthi sibe sekuchaza ukubukela ibhora eZimbabwe. Sikwazi ukuthi khona a team loses, a team wins without violence. Whatever happens yesterday, may it please not repeat itself. No matter the age, no matter what forces, no matter you have got good reasons to do that. Let's try by all means not to be violent people. Sithandaneni, simanyaneni, sibe ngumuntu munye, sakhe isizwe sethu ngebhora, sibe lothando. Siqhubekele phambili sisenza okwenzakala kobulawayo kulezi nsuku. I-team yethu yadliwa, i-team yethu yawina, i-team yethu yadrawa, but awusoze ubafica abafowethu besilwa. So ngithi qhubekelani phambili madoda ngokubambana, siqhubeleni phambili ngothando lebhora. Let us not fight for any result. Let us play for any result and we win the result in the match of field. Thank you. I'm out.
Vala chief cornerstone.
Mina my last words since ku-African Day so kusho ukuthi we are Africans, siyathandana sonke uthando lono, we are sharing now sonke abaningi abayanga emsebenzini just because ukuthi we are celebrating this African Day. So even ebhoreni, let's be Africans, let's be Zimbabweans, singalwi. And even lina be-PSL, let's be Africans. Into alishiwo savereza ukuthi laphana linga-discriminate thina aba-Highlanders. EPF ayibuyeli ibe EPF lathi sicelana amanzi masingena, sithenga amanzi phandle singene. Kungasho ukuthi athiwa amanzi angena akula sigubhu esingenayo phakathi, wayilist ngalo kwezinye indawo uthengisa utshwala. I-football ayibe fair, yonke indawo makuvalwa amanzi akuvalwe yonke indawo amanzi, makuvalwa utshwala kuvalwe yonke indawo utshwala. So laphana e-PF
And say 2 years isishaya, but nothing has
sithwele
changed.
nzima
Hayi
e-PF.
into lempethu.
Uzawuzwakala.
Sithwele nzima e-PF.
Njengoba usundithathele ukuthi ngicongratulate abafowethu ukuthi Orlando Pirates iwinile, uMsendame wathatha, iSundowns yawina, uDivine Lunga wathatha. Mina amazwi ami bengifuna ukubonga especially to the guys aba responsible for i-development eMakasi. Bengifuna ukuthi pick up to Sipambaniso Dube. Wonderful job that he did, wonderful job that he continued to do nge-Ajax Hospes ama-juniors. Kule picture ngizayisendela umenzi uzayifaka lapha. Under 13 yabo Mbo, yabo Peter, yabo Divine Lunga, yabo umfana lo Reward osengukhipha we-Highland akathesi. uDenzel Khumalo, the very same lineup ekasiphambanisa uDube. Yes, khathesi siyahalalisa uDivine Lunga is now a champion. Guys abasemakasi abanama academy continue pushing, one day kuyayenzakala. Sesibona amathesi ama-fruits kasiphambanisa uDube awe Ajax uDivine Lunga is now an African champion and also representing us well ku-national team konabana eZimbabwe. Ngalawo mazwi ami engiwathethe ngawatshontsha kusavereze la vice versa bese ntshontshele wona. Ithi siyabonga sihlangane next time. Peace and way out.
Happy Africa, my Africans.